This video will cover the installation of a 52mm tachometer into a 1990 Volvo 240 B230F. This can be completed over lunch. Use a flat tool such as a screwdriver to remove the two plastic gauge covers. Remove the two screws on the driver's right of the dash cluster. To the driver's left, remove the two lamp knobs by pulling them off their posts. Use a pry tool to remove the plastic cover. Disconnect the fog lamp electrics if present. Remove the two screws securing the metal bracket and dash cluster. Remove the metal bracket. Remove the two screws on the top of the steering wheel. Remove the plastic cover. Pull the dash cluster forward, remove the cables, and slide it out of the way. The tachometer lead can be identified as the red and white cable sitting loosely behind the dash cluster. Feed the positive and negative leads connected to your tachometer through the gauge hole. Attach the tachometer cable to the top center of the bottom three terminals on your gauge. Insert the three rubber mounts. Insert the tachometer. Run your positive lead to your preferred terminal in the fuse box, which turns on with the key. Connect your negative lead to the screw at the top right of the tachometer. Reinstall your dash cluster and reconnect the cables. Reseat the metal bracket and two screws to the left and the two screws to the right of the dash cluster. Place your new gauge trim. Reseat the plastic cover for the steering wheel. Start your car, and you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.